shorty who you pressing. The only thing that's pressed and they diamonds on my necklace. I can stretch you out like a yoga session. This is my profession. Pussy like holy water, I bless it. I drink the water pouring on me, yeah, it's refreshing. Why is she obsessed with me? She done got the best of me. Don't be thinking less of me. Why you keep on stressing me? Cross me, that's a penalty. Envy me and jealousy. Keep a bad bitch next to me, hating that I'm next to be. You try to extort me, you never support me. I done cut her off because she boring. I can tell you about my life, little baby, it's a story. These niggas wanna keep me slipping, but I keep rolling. Ever since a young and the nigga chasing on bank rolls. You say that's your girlfriend, little baby, sucking that gang dough. Pose for the camera, yeah, it's a perfect angle. I got hella stamina, I can fuck your brains out. I been drinking Henny, I drink it like it is good for me. I been getting paranoid, smoking like it's a pound Dewey. I don't fuck with niggas, so please, nigga, don't talk to me. Focus on the money, so please, baby, don't bother me. In LA, I was at your bay, she tryna stay, concentrate, gotta get the bag, I'm running late. I gotta say, I'm feeling great, had to skate. I said it's fate, I penetrate, tell me, order me a pack, then I gotta meet up. Police right behind me, so I had to speed up. Sitting in the back of the Tahoe, leaned up. We just crossed the border, drinking margaritas. What you want? A new salon, let's do my song, put you on, I'll break you off, I want the jaw. If you sneaking on the nigga, I'ma find out, whip it right out. 20 bitches in the Jeep, they had to climb out. Why these people staring, why they hating on me? I'm taking flights to London, out of Germany. I get the pack and I flip it back, it's overseas. She getting wet when she hear my voice and melodies. When I hit her with the right stroke, dance up on the ditch like she might go. Baby, I'ma hit her one time and then I might go. I got these bitches drooling on me because my eyes froze. I know you like that, baby, I like that. Order me a pack, then I gotta meet up. Police right behind me, so I had to speed up. Sitting in the back of the Tahoe, leaned up. We just crossed the border, drinking margaritas. What you want? A new salon, let's do my song, put you on, I'll break you off, I want the jaw. If you sneaking on the nigga, I'ma find out, whip it right out. 20 bitches in the Jeep, they had to climb out.
You want the moon? Just say the word and I'll throw a lasso around it.
Send me your location, never pulling up, got we going out of state, popping bottles, turning up, baby, what it do, baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it do, tell me where you at, me your location, never pulling up, got we going out of state, popping bottles, turning up, baby, what it do, baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it do, tell me where you at, little baby, pull up to the battle, shawty, hop in the Mercedes, on the shooting topic, I'm on top, I'm feeling wavy, girl, you better stop it, no, you not gon' have my baby, whoa, watch out for the us, they tryna pay me, whoa, shawty, I'm inside, we can keep it on the low, let us go for a ride, tell me where you wanna go, only here for the night, let us shawty, yeah, you know that, I'll be by your side, send me your location, girl, I'm pulling up, girl, we going out of state, popping bottles, turning up, baby, what it do, baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it do, tell me where you at, me your location, girl, I'm pulling up, girl, we going out of state, popping bottles, turning up, baby, what it do, baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it do, tell me where you at, me tell me slide, she got a new place, yeah, she see that I'm ballin' like it's 2K, she a bad chick, a little savage, yeah, anything she wants, she gotta have it, oh, shawty nasty, she a freak, baby, let me hit it every day of the week, oh yeah, off the juice, I can't think, told her send me out, little baby, we can link, send me your location, girl, I'm pulling up, girl, we going out of state, popping bottles, turning up, baby, what it do, baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it do, tell me where you at, me your location, girl, I'm pulling up, girl, we going out of state, popping bottles, turning up, baby, what it do, baby, gon' send me your bodies, let it do, tell me where you at, little baby, little baby, little baby, little baby, little baby, send me your location.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Rain, calling on my phone. Baby, yeah, leave me alone. Rain, calling on
trust shit anymore. Yeah, I've been in my lows, but it'll catch up. Shawty let me on the road, but it'll get up. New York City lights lead me right back home. I'm just trying to find my purpose and my soul. Man, I just really want it back, but ain't left high. Body out, fucking bones, yeah, the pain hurts. Heart is right to the stone, yeah, my heart burns. What's the rise to big coast and my mind learns?
Rain, calling on my phone. Baby, baby, yeah, yeah, leave me alone. Rain, calling on my phone. Baby, yeah, yeah, leave me alone.
Life ain't easy when you young, and we pop out just for fun. Got no stress, yeah, I know that I'm the one. Yeah, no fun, yeah, poolside in the sun, yeah. One choice, new life, different city, different sights. Took a lot to have bad thoughts, but I swear money feeling nice. Life going crazy, I swear that house be amazing. Yeah. These women be crazy, yeah. So ho, get the fuck up out my DMs, beat it. Haters, I don't see them. Chopper on me 40 clip, wipe your nose like Kleenex. Yeah, I'm tryna be what I'm dreaming. Can't fall asleep, I ain't eating. Shots, yeah, we think we CIA, we do drugs, yeah, we think we FDA, yeah, go be safe, don't know you can die today, know you can fly away, know you can ride away, go take your mind away, but I can't follow you, thoughts gonna swallow you, that's how I know that I know you, moving on cause you tried it too, found myself, ain't no finding you, all them nights I stuck in my bed, now I'm really feeling like I wish I wasn't dead. I don't wanna fall when I feel like this. How I go give it all, just feel like this. Feelings don't move, I feel like the moon.
And it's me, myself, and I. Yeah, took that private jet, said I'd be there in a blink, of an eye. Running from something, from nothing to find that it's you for greatness. I had no patience. Yeah. Couple of rounds on my plate.
Just for fun, got no stress, yeah, I know that I'm the one, yeah, no fun, yeah, poolside in the sun, yeah, one choice, new life, different city, different sights, took a lot to have bad thoughts, but I swear money feeling nice, life going crazy, I swear that house be amazing, yeah. These women be crazy, yeah. So ho, get the fuck up out my DMs, beat it, haters, I don't see them. Chopper on me 40 clip, wipe your nose like Kleenex. Yeah, I'm tryna be what I'm dreaming. Can't fall asleep, I ain't eating.
juice and let me smoke this tropical weed. B, I got the maddest of flavors. Don't think that this shit comes cheap. So, bitch, don't moan when I charge 15 for a D. Just a little nigga in his zone. Grind hard, can't stay on these streets. Mish mash and I'm doing it all. Dip splash and I'm getting in peak. I'm in the field all day. No time for these stupid neeks. Come, bitch, come my way. Just watch how veteran speaks. Tooled up on the left for my prey. The Wiggins don't want me to eat. Man, the hood's all mad. I wish I could just make my pee, but these bitches on me, so you know I can't lack. The Jake boy's really on my back, got me in and out of court, got me feeling a twat. And it's all my fault, cause I'm always getting caught like I'm better than that. The feds got like 10 of the gang, 3 R1, 3 Max, 3 Taz. Rest in peace with my brothers, RP Jets, RP T bands. I barely sweet one with a mean kickback. When I think about my bros, aye, RP with my brothers, gorgeous thing, amazing round. Smiles when the pack came in, now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing, that was an amazing round. What she do with that shit? I didn't even make a sound. Couple draw outs came in, now we gotta take them out. Don't slip, come on niggas got it no doubt. Stay stocked up, real shit, the plug don't see no drought. Bro said he gotta move, cool, show me the ins and outs. Said quick, we're in and we're out, if he's giving it up, then we're putting him down. Real trap nigga, I'm grabbing them packs and I push it around. If the line goes stiff, then I'm hitting the strip and I percolate town. Said he got bits of the loud, what bits of the loud, bro, ring right now. I'm trying to make a killing right now, fuck that bitch, I ain't with it right now. Why this bitch wanna grab on my jumper? I thought I was a one-hit wonder. Now she calling me a one-hit wonder. I hit that once and where I went, yeah, I wonder. Bro ain't social fucker. More about these blunt replies, or these replies only gonna get blunter. Other side with some fantasy knives, shit, you don't really wanna butt this cutter. I love going round on a gorgeous glide, trying to see a gorgeous number. My mum don't like how I play with knives, well I'm real sorry mother. But I would have no joke, would take my life, so for now I gotta stay with my ugger. Stay with my ugger, stay with my ugger. Smiles when the pack came in, now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing, that was an amazing round. What she do with that shit? I didn't even make a sound. Couple draw outs came in, now we gotta take them out. Don't slip, come on niggas got it no doubt. Stay stocked up, real shit, the plug don't see no drought. Bro said he gotta move, cool, show me the ins and outs. Said quick, we're in and we're out, if he's giving that.
You can catch me running through hell. I'm ready to go.
What up, boys? Oh my god. What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? W's, W's, W's. Alright. Let me lower the music here. Yo, should I keep this as background music or do we want lo-fi? Like normal lo-fi beats? Or should I just keep classical music as background music? What do you guys think? Alright, let me do a poll real quick. How the fuck do I make a poll? Ah, okay. Wait. 1 sec. How the fuck do I make a poll? Ah. Alright. Poll is up. Let's see what music we get today. I'm gonna do my analysis. I just want to know what kind of music you want. Oh, it's so even. Did classical win? Oh, you can barely hear me? Is my mic low? Hello? My mic shouldn't be low. It's a full blast, bro. Oh, dude, they're literally neck and neck. Holy shit. I swear this is more intense than when we were in the trade. I swear this is more intense than a 100 pip drawdown. Good morning, Sam Crypto. Alright, I guess lo-fi is winning. I guess lo-fi is winning. Yeah, okay. Alright. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, I guess that's the vote. Well, lo-fi it is then. Damn, bro. Y'all are boring. Come on. There we go. Alright. Alright. We have some people in here. Should we get straight to the analysis, huh? Make the stream great again. Morpheus is here. Alright, let's start the analysis. Let's not waste any more time. Alright, so first we do this. Clean chart. Okay, so let's see here. What did the daily do yesterday? How did the daily close? Daily close, I guess, slightly above the previous range. I'm guessing we have something right. I mean, if you could say we close above here, right? Around these areas, we closed above the previous. So technically we should be able to drive up here. The only problem with the daily is we don't have any data, bro. We don't have any data. There's no data to go off of. But the daily did close above, which is a good sign for us driving even further, right? Might see a pullback here, right? So you could expect some sort of pullback to around these areas, right? Possibly compensate for one of these, but probably a pullback to around these areas. Maybe tap the low of this candle before driving up again, right? But you might see a steeper top bottom wick than this. But yeah, that's not really much to say on the daily because we have no data. We're in no man's land right now. Like there's literally, it's new territory. So don't really have that much data to go off. So we'll go straight down to the 4 hour, see if we can draw some our big ranges first. All right, so we do have, let me just remove this. So we do have some sort of pretty strong resistance right here, right? So pretty strong rejection around these areas. And then our next would be probably around, is it here somewhere? How many pips is this range? 200 pip range. I think we put it right here for now. I think for now I'm gonna put it right here, or see, this is a tough range right here, but I think I'll put it right here and I'm gonna do this. So I'll put it right here and I'm gonna draw a rectangle like this. So this should be pretty good here. All right, so we have our 4 hour big ranges, right? Let's just see, because people are spamming news. So let's see if we get news here. Alright, we do have news here in 15 minutes. Unemployment claims. Orange folder, so it's going to bring volume. Again, we're not going to trade news. And I don't think it's going to invalidate my analysis either, because I don't think there's enough impact for it to completely blast through my ranges, right? But yeah, we have news here in 15 minutes, so just be aware of that. But yeah, these are my big ranges. We'll see. I'm going to draw more ranges once we get down here, right? Well, if we close below, we could draw some further. We could draw more ranges. I'm guessing we have some sort of range or resistance or support around tough range here. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this now. I'm gonna leave this for now. So as long as we're in this range, we're good. But I'm gonna leave this for now, and then if we break below, I'm gonna draw new ranges. But this is good for the big 4 hour ranges. So let's go down here to the hourly and see what if we can get some more precise levels here. Dude, this is all I have to go. This is all I can go off of. This is all. This and this. That's all we have. That's all we have to work with. But we'll do our best here. All right, so 1 hour ranges. Let's see here. Maybe we could adjust this a little bit, right? We could adjust the rectangle to fit a little better. That seems pretty good here. Seems pretty good. The hourly, I would say we have an hourly around here, sort of hourly resistance, right? And then we have, yeah, I'm guessing this is these are the ranges most likely. This is nothing too crazy. But yeah, you could see here, came down, retested, and now if we come down, it's going to be a pretty strong area, right? Because we don't know if this area is strong enough to where it can hold the retest. So if we break above, then we might invalidate this whole area. But as long as we respect here and keep driving down, this area should be good. I'm gonna draw a small area here just in case we get sells. Because this is a usual wick area, right? You can see a usual wick area. But again, guys, these analyses are going to be a lot shorter than the normal analysis because we don't have data. That's literally all we have to go off of. So, but I am going to have a small line here just because this is a general area that price taps, right? So if we decide to get sells, This is probably a good area where we'd either close full, close 50%, or move stops to break even. So yeah, but the areas are pretty clear. Like, they're not hard areas to notice, but the only thing is that there's not a lot of data, right? So the areas are not that strong. These could easily just break. We could easily just close above here and start driving up, etc. So yeah, but we'll see here. We'll see here. So far, these are my areas, right? So I have big ranges, which is the 4-hour ranges, and then we have the smaller ranges, which is the 30-minute/hourly range, and that's this range, I would say, for now. And this is a small general wick area. And general wick area is an area where price usually wicks at. So you see, you have a wick around here, right? If you go even further back, you see, right? Yeah, price usually taps this area. So we know that if we now get into sells, this would be a pretty good area to look out for. If we now start hovering or decide to retrace or decide to reject off of, right? So yeah. But yeah, those are my levels, guys. For plays, let's see here. What can we grab here? Okay. I mean, look. This wouldn't be too bad at all. This wouldn't be too bad at all. So let's say we get something like this. This will not be too bad at all, right? Not too bad at all, because if we now, remember guys, we, like usual, we come from above, probably want to grab liquidity here somewhere, right? Probably want to grab liquidity. This is where most of the liquidity is sitting at. So if we now want to drive down, a perfect play would be something like we come up here, grab liquidity around these areas, and then we close below this most recent support right here at 2000 and what is this, 2074.95. So first grab liquidity around these areas, and then close up below 2074.95, and we'd be good to take sells down. Probably move stops to break even when we fill this wick, right? So around this yellow area, and then we could look to fill the range down. But that wouldn't be too bad for sells here. So if we could come up, break the highs, and then close back below, that wouldn't be too bad for sells. For buys, for buys, a closure above here wouldn't be too bad for buys either. I'd say probably here, right? I'd say closure above here wouldn't be too bad for buys. Yeah, I'd say closure above here wouldn't be too bad for buys. Let's see here if ranges gets filled, just to make sure. And yes, ranges do get filled, right? What is this? 2081.796, 2081. All right. Looks pretty good here, boys. Looks pretty good here. But yeah, buys above. Oops. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just have this area, and then we'll potentially be able to take buys above 2078.055, right? Because as we see here, this is a slippery slope, right? Slippery slope. When price is in this area, we usually get a full drive and no turn in the middle, right? So this is a slippery slope, meaning that when we tap this area again, we might actually see us fill the range, right? Because we did the same thing here, right? Did the same thing here. So we came above, closed above. Once we closed above, you could say, oh, we turned halfway. No, we didn't turn halfway. Reason being is we did not close below again, right? So we still respected it. So we came up. All we did was we retested. Once we retested, we did not break below, right? You see, we did not close below. We still closed back into range, and then we drove. So it was still a valid range fill. It's still as long as price doesn't close back below range or back above range, it's still a valid range fill. This would be invalidated if we closed below here. That would be invalidated, but we didn't close above. We closed in the range, respecting, and then we came up, and then we could drive again, right? So as long as price doesn't close below the range or outside of the range, it's still a valid range fill. So a retest is still considered a valid range fill, right? So yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking for, guys. So sells, we'd be looking for us to break the highs and possibly close below 2000. I don't know why I moved this. Let me put another line here. Below 2074.94. I could do something like this. Right? And then we'll look for us to grab liquidity and break the highs first. And then once we break the highs, we can look for sells below. If not, a buy above 2078.24 wouldn't be too bad either, right? All right, that's pretty much it for the analysis right now, boys. The only I'm waiting for news here, right? So after news, I'm gonna adjust my ranges a little bit, see what we can grab after news. But yeah, are there any candles with no wicks? No, we do seem to have wicks on pretty much all candles. At least on the 4 hour. You see here, we compensated for this no bottom wick here. Took a while, right? Took a while. That's what I'm saying. When you play the big ranges, you gotta expect big moves, right? So this no bottom wick play here is a, what is this? 200 pip move, right? 100 pip move. But that's also the 4 hour range, right? So that's why. But we did come down and compensate, and that's pretty good. Now the weekly, will the weekly flip? I have no idea, but the weekly does not have a bottom wick, right? Weekly does not have a bottom wick. But let's see here. Yeah, this is the highest the weekly has closed, I think. Yeah, this is the highest the week. This is the highest the weekly body is closed. If we close above here. But yeah, so we never know if the weekly wants to flip. But right now, that's what we're looking for, boys. Nothing too crazy, nothing too hard to understand. It's pretty much very simple. It's just we're looking for liquidity to get grabbed and then possibly sell below 2074.9. My bias is bearish at the moment, right? My bias is bearish, right? Because you've broken structure, so you have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we have a lower high here. But then you came up and you compensated for that, so you still went back into structure. So you broke structure here, probably made a slight fake out, and then you came up and you started making higher highs and higher lows again. But this is now a lower low because we have close here. So yeah, wouldn't be too bad here. Wouldn't be too bad. That's why I'm waiting for a liquidity, because liquidity here is also a lower high, right? Because you have a higher high, higher low, higher high, lower high, and then lower low, and you could possibly have a lower high, right? So a liquidity grab here is not only a liquidity grab, it's also a lower high, right? So that's what we're waiting for, us to tap these areas and then close below and possibly drive down. So yeah, wouldn't be too bad here, boys. Wouldn't be too bad to get those sells. Looks pretty juicy to me. Let's see, what are subscribers looking? Subscribers are looking like we are very close here. Dude, we are so close to the 1K. Oh, 18 more subscribers. I think we're gonna hit it today. We're definitely gonna hit it this stream. Damn, bro. It's actually crazy. Bro, I started following, and before you stream, I draw same areas. Nice, man. Glad to hear that. Comics open with volume. Yeah, we'll have to wait for volume to come into the market here. Where did you learn how to trade, bro? I learned from Don Vo, Raja Banks, and Uncle Ted. I think flipping 2078.10 for buy. 2078.10. Flip on the which flip? Seven 8.10. Which flip is that? I'm not sure what you mean, bro. Is that the daily flip, maybe? No. No idea. Where's your coffee? Coffee's right here. I bought coffee this time. I usually have my own coffee, but I had to buy this time. Sorry, boys. Didn't have time. Is Bard gonna buy? What are you asking chat, bro? You could just ask me. I'm right here. Where are your parents, bro? Parents are at work. Or my mom is downstairs, but my dad is at work. What do you think about 2086, 2085 range? 2086, 2085. You mean this range? Right here? Yeah, I mean this whole area is a. So you could just draw this, right? Yeah, what I think of it, Yeah, it is a pretty strong area. Pretty strong area on the higher time frames. Pretty strong area, right? So yeah, great that you pointed that out. That was a great spot. Good looks. Are you gonna buy? Not right now. It might fill the daily no wicks. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So I'm pretty bearish right now, but we'll see. We'll see what news does. News is in 2 minutes. Holy shit. We have news in 2 minutes here, boys. Be ready. Put your seatbelts on. No, I'm joking. It's only orange folder. Nothing. You're a real funny, Snicks, huh? You're a funny guy today. Stream has a lot of delay? Really? No way. Why does the stream have delay? Dude, I need to check that out. I have no idea why the stream has delay. That's why you should be in the Discord. Because if you're in the Discord, then you won't have any delay on the signals. Then you know exactly when to take a buy. Hey man, but here's the thing also. This is why you gotta understand what I'm thinking, right? 1 minute here. But this is why you gotta understand. So if you want to take the sells, you wait for liquidity to get grabbed, and then you wait for us to break below 2074, right? For sells. For buys, you could potentially wait for a break above 2078.297, right? And then you wait for no bottom or no top wick play. But see, if you understand that, you don't really need to just take my signals. You can understand when I'm gonna take a buy and take buys. Then, right? Yo. What's up the music like world? I'm glad you're here, bro. 20 seconds. I don't think it's gonna move that much, right? I don't believe it's gonna move that much, but we have 20 seconds here to lose, so be ready. Get your inhaler ready, because we're about to move a little bit. Damn, you got a 5-second delay? Fuck, bro. Dude, I need to change that. I really need to fix that. Damn it. Why is there delay, bro? Do I have to pay for signals? No, not yet. It's still free. Still completely free. Breathe air. Are we gonna move? Slight delay is normal for you to live. Yeah, do you guys know if other streamers also has the same amount of delay, or they have less delay than me? Because if they have the same amount of delay, then I should be pretty good. Because I'm still pretty new to this streaming world, so I'm not really sure how much delay is normal delay. News bad for USD? Yeah. Yeah, it was really bad for USD. So gold should technically go up here. Same delay, alright. Dope. Yeah, news was bad for the dollar. It was pretty bad as well. It wasn't like just a little bit. It was pretty bad as well. Yeah, so gold should technically go up here, at least in the short term. Yeah. All right. Bad news for the dollar. Gold should see a slight push up here. So that's what we're doing right now, right? Again, this is perfect, guys. I know it's news induced, guys, but the news isn't that high impact. So if we can now tap these areas right here. If we can now tap these areas right here and close respecting, and then after we close respecting, we close below on the next candle. Not at the hourly, but on the 30. Will be good for the sells here, right? So if we manage to close, if we manage to do something like this, where we right, so we do something like this. Do something like this, and then next candle comes down, closes below, leaves a bottom wick. We could look for sells down. So that'd be perfect if we can get that. many pips is this? This is 40 pips. Alright. Hey, everybody that's new here, subscribe to the channel. And we're finna get a trade, boys. Just subscribe to the channel. We are 15 subs from 1K, so yeah. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll give you a cookie. Promise. Alright, we're looking for buys. Yes, we are looking for buys as well. But I'm a little hesitant on buys right now. But yeah, I mean, the only way I would look for buys if we do something like this. If we do something like this, or like this, if we do something like this, I'd look for buys, right? But I'd want to see a big top wick. I want to see us leave a big top wick, right? But not quite fill the range up, right? So I want to see us a big top wick and not quite fill the range up. That's what I'd look for buys. So yeah, we'll wait here. Was the news bad for the dollar? Yes, it was. News was bad for the dollar. Who's taking care for your Discord account, bro? How you give signals while streaming? I do it manually. I do it by myself. It's not that hard, honestly. I'm a fast typer. I've only like made a misspelling once. Does anybody remember when I said, what did I say? I said something like, what did I say? I said like close full when once it hits stop loss. I think I said that. And everybody was, what the fuck is this guy talking about? No shit. Only way streamers don't have a delay if they open a Zoom call for their members. Yep, Zoom will be available very soon for. It will be available for course buyers. So the people that buy the course are gonna have access to the Zoom live on stream. I think it's good to say less than forecast is good for. I think it's good. It says less than forecast is good for currency. Yeah, but it was more than forecast, right? Forecast was 2006 and the actual was 2018, so it was higher than forecast, which means that it's bad for the currency. The unemployment is higher than expected. How long does news last? Could be anywhere. It could be anything from 15 minutes to 30 minutes an hour. But you'll see when the volume dies down and price action starts taking over. Tell me, Bart, you don't wait for pullback after breaking the range. No. You know why? Or here's the thing. That's why I always say I hope we don't overshoot. Right? That's why I always say I hope we don't overshoot. Because if you overshoot, if you do something, if this right here, if this huge red candle closed below, I would not take the sells. Reason being, we overshot. What does it mean when you overshoot? When you overshoot, that means that you have driven price very far, very fast, and not had a pullback yet. So what's gonna happen? Well, you're most likely gonna have a pullback after you close, right? If you don't have a pullback within this candle, you're gonna have a pullback later, right? So you're gonna get faked out. Right, so that's why I only wait for pullbacks if the candle is very huge, if we move very fast. If we move very fast, then I'll wait for a pullback. So here, we moved very fast. I wouldn't take a buy here, right? I'd wait for us to come down, probably close respecting, and then close above again, and then I'll wait for a buy, right? I'll look for a buy. But if we come very fast, I'm not looking for buys, because if it doesn't make a pullback here, it's going to make a pullback here. And that's above the range, and that's when you get faked out. So yeah, I only wait for pullbacks if we move very fast to a certain area. If we move slowly, and we make pullbacks along the way, and then we break out, we've already made the pullbacks necessary. Price is already balanced. The balances are already filled, right? But if we do this, there's a bunch of imbalances here. Which means that price is likely going to have to pull back, retest, maybe fill some of those imbalances, wick down, and then once we close above, we could look for buys. But yeah, I don't look for buys or sells if price moves very fast and overshoots. So that's why we always say on stream, I don't want it to overshoot, right? But yeah, so that's why I don't wait for pullback necessarily. Not in this case, right? Or you could even say I'm waiting for a pullback, because I'm waiting for us to grab liquidity here. You could call that a pullback below after we before we close below. So yeah. Hope you understood that, guys. That's very important as well. You gonna keep the OGs in your single group? We'll see. Some OGs maybe. Some OGs. I know. I see. I know who's been here for a while. I know who's been here since the beginning. So, yeah, you guys are definitely gonna get rewarded. Don't worry. Yeah. Suddenly everybody's an OG. The whole chat is an OG suddenly. I don't remember you. Bro, I swear to God I was here since the beginning. I just didn't say anything in chat. We all OGs. You started streaming a week ago. Damn, bro. All right, guys. All right, guys. I could see who was here. I can see who the OGs are. You don't have to tell me. I can see. I can see the logs. Don't worry. Bro, I respect your gang. I recently got into trading. I can see that you give proper advice. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. Everybody's an OG. Bro, there's only like 50 people in your signal group. No, man, we're like 200 people in there. Plus. Also, if you guys call me Bart, first of all, don't make me a Simpson character. I don't know why you guys call me Bart. Second of all, Brad, none of that. I'm not having none of that. But Bart is crazy, for real. Bart is crazy. Bart is crazy, bro. Bart is insane. Too far, guys. Too far. I swear to God, too far. And no Bradley. I don't know. First of all, Bradley's like, oh, Bradley's completely going out of line. Like, I'm not even 260. We could even work together in the future. Yeah, man, for sure. I mean, hey, guys, in the future, I'm gonna need one of y'all to take over other sessions, right? So if we have somebody that can take Asia session, etc., right? So yeah, in the future, we'll have QTC creators streaming all over the sessions. Don't worry. Don't worry. There's an example of over breaking the range and making a pullback on GBP USD if you want to give as example of. Okay, sure. Great catch. Oh, damn. Dude, ranges are my ranges are crazy though. I ain't even gonna lie. Holy shit. Breakout, retest, breakout. Ranges are crazy, bro. The ranges are crazy, bro. That's the QTC ranges right there. GBP USD, GBP USD. All right, wait. Let me just see here. All right, looks like we're about to close respecting. This is good, guys. We did not quite break the highs, but so yeah, we'll see. If we close below 2074.94, we could see a possible buy. What levels did you say? 1.279. 1.279. 1.279. Around here. Exactly. Completely overshot, right? We wanted the closure around here. We didn't get a closure here, so now you completely overshot, and now you're probably making a pullback, right, to retest. So yeah, that's a great example here. You closed below range, right? But look where you closed. You wanted it to close somewhere here, so you have range down. But now you already filled the range. You overshot, and when you overshot, instead of making a pullback here or here, you're gonna make a pullback now and retest, and then people are gonna get faked out. But yeah, that's a great example. Damn, bro. Swedish weather is killing me. This typing is so tough, inventory. Yeah, man. Hey, just text me on Discord, bro. Text me on Discord, and we'll definitely talk for sure. For sure, we'll talk. Right. Bossman. Bossman. What should we call you, bro? See, Bard. Call me Bard. B-A-R-D. Call him Senpai, bro. Nah. Relax. You start your stream, market volume is gone, even though the presence of news. Thank you for killing the market. Sorry, bro. I'm the market killer, bro. We're the market killers. I swear, as soon as I start the stream, the market movers are like, nah. Red button, push it. Market is dead. Get out of here, JP. Ignore this. I don't know why it's in Swedish. I gotta change it, but 993. Hey, if 7 of y'all aren't subscribed, I'm pulling up to your house. Just know. So subscribe, damn it. Let's hit a 1K. Let's hit 1K. If we get 1K, we should get a trade for sure. For sure. What's your plan on gold? Waiting left shoulder. My plan on gold is either I take sells below 2074.9 or I take buys above 2078.234. But we'll have to see a perfect no wick play like yesterday. Yeah, we about to hit 1K. Oh my god, my throat. Nice, I reloaded the wrong fucking page. Only one subscribe. So you guys are not scared of me pulling up to your house, huh? I'm gonna send expeditions to your crib. He's gonna pull up. I respect the new coming trader. When I hit the 5K account, I'm gonna start streaming my trades. Yeah, for sure, man. If you guys love creating content and you guys love entertaining people and also you love trading, then I see no reason for you to not start streaming your trades, right? Especially if you know that your strategy works, right? Because why wouldn't you share something that works? If you find something that works well and that's perfect and that's you can make money with and you have back tested and that you're very confident in, why wouldn't you want to share that with other people? You know. YouTube money loading. Nah, bro. I'm not making any money. Dude, I won't make any money for YouTube. I promise. So excited for 1K subs. Yeah, me too, bro. 1K subs is going to be a tough milestone, bro. It's going to be such a nice milestone. Especially because we started like 1 month ago. It's fucking crazy. Crazy, bro. Do you take any trade? No trades today. We're waiting for a breakout here. We're waiting for a breakout on either range. We would want to see us break the highs first, right? We want to see us grab some liquidity first and then close below. But I don't know if that's too much to ask for. And if you guys are new to the stream, the market usually kills the volume as soon as I go live. For some reason, I don't know why. They just hate me. So whenever I go live, the market just dies. Just so you guys know. Yeah. 19th December, you reached 200 subs. Great growth. Yeah, bro, it's fucking crazy. Honestly, it's insane. I'm really thankful. Everybody log into their burner now. No, I'm joking. I'm just kidding. We're gonna have organic followers. Don't worry. We're gonna have real followers. No burners here. I still haven't logged into a burner and subscribed. So I've got champagne out here cold. Hey, I appreciate that, Vivian. Gotta celebrate. Gotta celebrate. Waiting for the 30-minute closure. Yes. We are waiting for the 30-minute closure. We are waiting for the 30-minute closure. And if we close respecting, that's a great sign. And then we could look for sells below, right? So I'd be fine with taking... Okay, I'd be fine with taking... Let me do this. If we're going to use the 15, I need to do that. I'm not going to use the 15. And get faked out. So let me just fix this. Right. But I would likely want the 30. But if we get a 15 closure here, below here as well, I'd be good. But yeah. Well, the more you trade, the more you get subs. You are really good at making things easy. Thanks for that. Yeah, man, that's my whole mission. My whole mission is literally to take all the bullshit from trading that gets fed into people to sell their courses and stuff, all the smart money concepts and stuff like that, filter all the bullshit, and then just make it as simple as possible, right? For people to understand, because that's what it is. Trading is simple. Let's fucking go, boys! Wait. Let's fucking go, boys. Oh my god, that's dude. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate that, for real. For real, boys. I swear to God, I'm blessed. I swear to God, I'm blessed. Crazy. 1,000 subs. I haven't streamed in a month. I've only streamed a month. I mean, haven't streamed more than a month. Crazy growth. I had to dress like I had to dress up a little nicer, right? Can't be sitting here in a hoodie while we hit 1,000 subs. You know? Hey, the chat is going crazy. Hey, I appreciate you guys, for real. For real. Alright, now can we get a trade? We should be able to get a trade now. I got this on. We got 1,000 subs. Everybody's going crazy. Alright, guys, as a celebration for the 1K subs, we are gonna go full margin on the next trade. So everybody go full margin on the next trade to celebrate the 1,000 subs we just hit. I'm joking. Everybody doesn't understand. I'm joking. Don't go full margin. Hey man, but hey guys, I really appreciate that, for real. I really appreciate that. Thank you everybody. I really appreciate that. No cap. Bro hits 1k subs, win streak gets broken. Imagine imagine we celebrate the 1k subs by fucking up the win streak. You never know. You never know. You deserve it, my man. Thank you, Vivian. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. I'm really blessed. I swear to God, I'm really blessed. It's been a great ride so far, and this is only the beginning, bro. Only the beginning. We're gonna grow so much more than this. This is only the beginning, guys. Promise. Why do you consider SMC being a bad concept? I don't consider it being a bad concept. I think there are good ideas behind it, fundamentally. But I do think there's a lot of pushed up and unnecessary terms that they use to try and make it sound better than it actually is. So yeah, but I don't think it's necessarily all bullshit. I just think that they overcomplicate a lot of things, right? A lot of things could be explained so much more easily, and that's what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to explain things so much more easily, but yeah, but it's not necessarily all bullshit. Where are you from, Bard? I'm from Sweden. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go, boys. 1k subs. Damn. Crazy. Who would have thought, huh? Boys and girls. I appreciate all boys and girls. So if there are any girls in chat, I appreciate you as well. Don't worry. I appreciate you as well. I just use boys as a general term, but I mean everybody. I appreciate you guys. I especially appreciate the girls because y'all are y'all are very few, right? Y'all are few and far between, so I really appreciate no girls in chat. Yeah, it is what it is. Hey, I'm gonna keep putting out value and we'll see where this takes us. But yeah, 1k is definitely a milestone. Really a milestone. Let's see if we can get a breakout here. I accept everybody. Everybody. Boy, girl, whatever's in between, whatever's outside. Everything. The whole spectrum. Oh my god, what did I do? Probably more likely that there's a donkey watching than a girl. Bro. Can we send charts on Discord and maybe you can check? Yes. Yeah, guys, send your charts and if you want me to review them, I'll definitely do that. All right, everybody wants a CR7 versus Messi poll. So I'm gonna make a CR7 versus Messi poll. And if Messi wins, I'm gonna end the stream, just so you guys know. All right, let's see here. How long have I been training? I've been training for 4 years. Thanks. From whom did you learn? I learned from Donvo, Raja Banks, and Uncle Ted. Let's see if we can get a breakout here. We have a closure in 2 minutes here, guys. 2 minutes for a closure here. Oh, this is so intense, bro. I swear to God, this is so intense. Almost feels like I have money on the line. I swear to God. Damn, Messi's coming back. And we're getting a breakout. What's going on? Alright. Guys, lock in, guys. We're about to have a breakout. Lock in. 50-50? Hey, come on, guys. Vote. Vote, damn it. Okay, we have a breakout here, boys. Can we get a closure and not overshoot? I don't want it to overshoot here. I don't want us to go all the way down. I do want to see. If we get close right here, that'd be perfect. Alright, let's see here. 13 pips. Oops, wrong. Damn. Alright, we're kind of overshooting here. Yeah, we're just pushing here, guys. We're just pushing here. No confirmations could enter, but we are pushing here, which is pretty good, right? Pretty good. We are going to tap into this resistance right here. But as long as we close, I mean, as long as we don't tap the yellow line before closing, we should be good to drive, right? Should be good to drive all the way down. But yeah. I guess this was enough of a liquidity grab. I did want to see us break the highs, but sometimes we don't get the break of the highs, but we did get a slight liquidity grab here, right? Outside of range. And I guess that was enough. So we'll have to wait here and wait for a closure. If this could pull back, right? If this could pull back like this, and we've got a top wick, we're gonna potentially get a trade very soon here. So stay locked in, stay locked in. Come on. Damn, bro. All right, lock in here, boys. Lock in here, boys. Can we get a top wick? Can we get a 10 pip top wick here? Ah, damn. Okay, it was only 4 pips. Almost. We almost got a trade. Almost got a trade. Almost got a trade. But yeah. We did want to see a steeper top wick here, right? We did want to see us fill some of this imbalance before then coming down and pushing. But yeah, we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait. Unfortunately, we'll have to wait. Almost, guys, almost. We'll get one soon. We'll get one soon. If we keep driving like this, if we keep this volume up, we're definitely gonna trade today. Gonna get a trade today if we get this. If we keep this volume up, that's all we need. All we need is volume to keep keep pushing, and then we'll be good here. All right. Closure below. If we get some sort of pullback here, top wick and a closure below 2071, we can still enter sells, right? Because we have a pretty bearish sentiment here. Looks like, or even a closure back into range would be good, right? Because if we get a closure back into range, if we get this, if we get something like this, right? If we get something like this and we get this, I'll be good to take buys up. Reason being, we did not break the highs here. Right here. We did not break the highs here. So maybe it was not enough liquidity to come down, and maybe this was just enough to come down here. And maybe we need to grab more. So if this happens, we'll be good to take buys as well. We'll have to wait and see here. Otherwise, sells below 2071.0 wouldn't be too bad. So sells below right here. Right? If we get a steeper top wick here and we come down and close below 2071.075, we could look for the same play to eventually come down and fill this range right here. So yeah. Wouldn't be too bad that either. But let's wait and see here if we can get something. What are you boys saying? What are you boys saying? Yeah, there's no way Messi won that. So disappointed, really. Is this tiny bottom wick already enough to invalidate your entry? Yes. There's a huge difference between a small bottom wick, like really small, really small bottom wick, and no bottom wick. You would think that a 2 pip bottom wick isn't that much of a difference between no bottom wick at all. Like it's only 2 pips, but it's such a big difference, right? The no bottom wick versus a small bottom wick is a huge difference, guys. I promise. Huge difference. Huge difference. Another orange folder in an hour. Would that one give volume? Yes, that will also give volume, probably. It'll be the same thing as now. The same amount of volume. But let's see here. A closure back into range wouldn't be that bad either. Closure back in, aka fake out, closure back into range. Once we close back into range, we could look for us to probably come up higher and possibly break the highs, because we did not break the highs on this one, so maybe this wasn't enough liquidity for us to drive all the way down, but we'll see. So a closure back into range, but we need that confirmation, right? We need to wait for the confirmations. We need to wait for the closures. We have to wait for the closures. Hi bro, don't you feel more pressure now, like many people have expectations from you? Like, no, honestly not. Doesn't affect the way I trade, right? I'm gonna trade the same way I trade. I'm gonna follow my playbook and my strategy the same way. I don't care if I have 10,000 people watching me, it's gonna be the same thing, right? Because I know what works. I know what works, and I've tested what works. So changing it based on how many viewers I have, the market doesn't care how many viewers I have, right? The market's gonna behave the same way. So something that worked when I have 0 viewers is still gonna work when I have 1,000 viewers. So I'm not gonna change anything. I'm gonna trade the same way I do. No pressure, boys. No pressure. Where's my wrench? All right, I will need an I will need a new mod. I told the current mods that once we hit 1,000 subs, we're probably gonna have another mod to keep track of all the messages and stuff. So I will need a new mod. So if you guys are interested in being mod, message me on Discord. The only requirement is that you've been in the community for more than a week. That's the only requirement. And also you will have to know good English, right? You'll have to have good English. Those are the 2 requirements. So good English, or 3 requirements. Been a part of the community for more than a week, must have good English, and 3, you must know how to trade. At least you must know the basics of trading, right? You must understand my strategy, and you must understand, not fully, I'm not saying you have to be a trading god, I'm just saying you have to at least know the trading lingo, and you have to be pretty well experienced with the markets. Those are the only requirements. So if you feel like you fill those requirements, text me on Discord, and I'll look through the applications later. But yeah, we do need another mod, because we are getting quite a few. We're having quite a few members joining. You need the mods to decide. They keep tracks. Yeah. I will talk with the mods as well before adding an extra mod, for sure. Great quality. I feel more pressure like when I get 3 to 4 day winning streak and putting this on close friend of story. Damn. Yeah, I mean, you shouldn't feel pressure. You know, the market's behaving the same way. It doesn't care if you have 1,000 viewers, except now, because now we're so many that we're moving the markets, right? QTC is moving the markets. No, I'm joking, but yeah, the market really doesn't care if you have 10,000 viewers. It's going to move the same way. So something that worked when you had 0 viewers is going to work when you have 10,000 viewers. Doesn't matter. Same thing. But let's see if we can get a breakout back into range here. Because since we didn't grab, this would be a great lesson here. If we get a break back into range, this is a great lesson, right? Because you did not break the highs, right? Did not break the highs. did not break the highs, and you did not grab liquidity, which you wanted it to do, right? So if we get a fake out here and drive up, that's why. That's why. So great lesson here. Keep that in mind. If you guys watched the liquidity video, you would understand exactly what I'm talking about here. So let's see if we can get a break back into range. If not, if it drives, we can catch the sells. But if we get a break back into range, that'd be pretty good as well. But yeah, this is usually the time where we get a trade. It's usually around, what is it? It's usually around 10 p.m. 10 a.m. I mean. 10 a.m. is usually when we get a trade. How do you do back tests? I go through my trades at the end of the week on either Saturday or Sunday. I go through all my trades that week. So usually I'll have like 4 or 5 trades that week. I'll go through all of them and I'll check which one lost, why did I lost, which one won, why did I won, where did I go wrong, right? So that's how I backtest. At the end of each week, I look back at the trades I take that week and I perfect my strategy. I look, why did this not go my way? Maybe I could have closed earlier, maybe I could have closed later, maybe I could have held, you know? That's what I do. That's how I backtest. Hello, do you stream every day? Yes. How many layers you put when you entry? 1. I only have 1 entry. We are the real market makers, for real. I'm from Sweden. Yeah, we have New York open here in 20 minutes. It's a fake out likely. Need to break all those pre-highs. Yes. What time is it over in Sweden? In Sweden it's 3 p.m. What tells us how many pips a candle should move before flipping in the other direction? In this example as well. What do you mean? How many pips we need to move to get a wick entry? Don't really understand the questions. What the fuck? Some days ago we celebrated 200 and 300 subs. Now it's almost 1,000 subs. Congrats again though. Thank you, bro. This is looking good, yeah. We might get a break back into range here. Do you talk Italian? No. Mamma mia, pizzeria. I know how to do this. That's all. That's as far as my Italian vocabulary goes. It's this. That's the way I communicate. If it looks like a fake out, is it worth putting in buys, assuming it will fill the range on its way up? Yes, if we get a closure above range, we could look for buys here, yes. If we get a bottom wick first, right? Remember guys, we always take wick entries. Because we want that advantage point, right? And it's a very strong confirmation, so yeah. So if we get a closure, bottom wick, no top wick, finito. It was better to tap 2082 for sells, just break the highs. 2082? We're far from there, broski. Does a lot of people know English in Sweden? Yes, English is like almost a second language in Sweden. Everybody knows how to speak English. But my English is much better than other Swedish people's English. And that's because I grew up with English friends and American friends, and yeah, that's why. You're a big Haaland fan, I bet. Haaland is not even from Sweden. He's from Norway, but I like Mbappe more, I'm gonna be honest. Let's see here. Can we get a breakout here or break back into range in 2 minutes and 20 seconds? What's your lot size? 0.0025. 4, 5, 6. You trade fund accounts? Yes. Those results are from his demo. How did you learn how to trade? I watched Raja Banks, Donvo, and I watched Uncle Ted. I watched those people. I put in money that I could afford to lose, and I just started trying my own strategy and trying to understand how to read the market. And I sat in front of the charts for like 6 hours a day, every day for like 2 years, and just constantly looked at the charts. Did nothing else than that. That was the only thing I did. I had no life, didn't hang out with no friends, basically never drank anything, never went out, just stayed in and studied the charts. Yeah, that's how I learned to trade. And that's what you have to do to learn to trade. There's news at 4 p.m. GMT. Yeah, there's news here at 10 a.m. EST. There's news. So in about, what's the time right now? In about, what is this? 46 minutes here. Alright guys, we might get a position here soon, so be ready. Be ready here, boys. Alright. Again, but don't want it to overshoot. We want it to have a slight pullback here. So let's see if we can close and get a pullback. That would be pretty good here. Or you know what, chat? I'm gonna wait for the 30. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 30. I'm gonna, because the 30 is still very bearish, right? The 30 is still closed below range. This might just be a top wick, so I'm gonna wait for the 30 here, boys. Just so you guys know. Not gonna take it on the 15. I'm gonna wait for the 30. So 15 more minutes here. Almost 300 viewers, insane. Yeah, dude, 300 fucking viewers. Hey, everybody, if you like the stream, if you enjoy what we're doing here, if you love trading, if you love making pips, if you love having win streaks, that's what we do here at QTC. So yeah, join up, join the squad, join the family, subscribe. This is just the beginning. We're gonna get so much bigger than this, so much better than this. So yeah, subscribe, join the community, join the Discord. I also call out all my trades on the Discord channel. So if you want the trades, call out live, join the Discord, and I call them out on the Signals channel. I use FTMO. But yeah, I mean, let's wait for the 30 closure here. If we get a 30 closure back into range, so I'd like to see the 30 close above here. If we get the 30 to close above 2075.012, we could look for a breakout, fake out, back into range, break back into range. And also, the reason we made a fake out is because we did not break the highs here, right? So we did not grab enough liquidity. And that's why most likely we have a fake out, right? Because most people will take sells here. They're like, oh, we broke out, let's take sells. But they to completely disregard that we didn't come up and break the highs first and grab some liquidity up here, right? Because we came from above, liquidity is going to be placed above the range. We did not come up and break the highs, grab liquidity to close below and drive. We did not do that. So now what we're doing is we're closing below and we're closing back into range. Reason being, we probably need to break the highs first, right? So that's what we're looking for. The possible buy positions once we close here above range to drive up. So yeah. Oh, that's clear, boys. Do you only trade price action, support and resistance levels, no indicators? No, I have two indicators. Can the chat guess which two indicators I use? The only two indicators I need. I want to hear the chat say this. Which one in chat knows which the only two indicators I use are? Yeah, some people got it. Some people got it already. Exactly. So read the chat. and you understand which the only indicators I use are. The two indicators are my eyes. My eyes. Right? Those are the only two indicators I need. 2 eyes. And Santa, but that's only sometimes. Sometimes I bring him back, but that's only sometimes. That's once a year. Once a year when I kidnap him. Yeah. Left eye, right eye. Yeah, boys, you don't need indicators. You don't need extra things on your chart. Learn to read price action as it is. Learn to read it organically. You don't need anything to tell you which way the trend is going, etc., etc. Right? Hey, we have 300 people, but only 138 likes. Come on, boys, like the damn video. Like the damn video. I heard we get a trade if we like the video. I heard we get a trade. Also, I have a fucking look what I have on. I have a nice shirt on. Do me some justice here. Congrats with 1K, thank you. Alright, 10 minutes here. How about girls and non-binary? Girls as well. Any girls here? Any girls here, you're welcome. You're welcome with open arms. Any other thing except for girls and boys, which I don't know all of them, but whatever exists out there, whatever you define as, you're welcome. We don't care what you are. Thanks, lol. You're welcome, Claudia. Bard. So now it's going up to grab liquidity and break the high. Most likely, if we close back into range, yes. If you close back into range here, you're most likely going to see something like this. Come up, break the highs, and then you'll possibly get a fake out after, or a breakout after, a real breakout, because then you have grab liquidity, right? This 30 could still close bearish below the range. Yeah, that's why we're waiting for the closure. That's why we didn't take it off the 15, right? We did not take it off the 15. We waited for a closure on the 30 first. How much did you lose in trading? A lot in the beginning. I blew like 3-4 accounts. Or I mean, I blew them and then I funded it again. So it was one account, but one account I lost all the money, funded it again, lost all the money, funded it again, like 4 or 5 times. A couple of times, yeah. So it's the average story of a trader. You blow, and then pause. You blow your account. All right, you blow your account, and then you start becoming profitable once you learn the lessons. How long you were profitable? For 1.5 years. Yo, Danish, relax, bro. Hey, I think we have a lot of Americans here, which is nice to see. We do have a lot of Americans. I think I looked at the statistics yesterday from my account, and we have a lot of followers from America. It's actually pretty nice. Hey, we got Malaysia, we got Canada, we got India. Oh, never mind, that says Indiana, my bad. My bad. Texas, Chicago. Dope. Hey, we're international. QTC is international, boys. We don't. I'm glad to see everybody is from different parts of the world. Diversity. That's what we do over here. Thanks for the work, bro. No problem. No problem. That's what I'm here for. All right. Looks like we're about to overshoot here, which is an issue. But yeah. Also, another very important lesson here, guys. So, why do we prefer the no wicks? All my exes live in Texas. Why do we prefer no wicks so much? Why? Why do we prefer to enter the no wicks? Well, let's see here. So let's say, because we were about to enter a position here, right? You guys remember? We were about to enter a position here. So why did it wait for us to make a no bottom wick here and to make a top wick that was around 10 pips? Why? Because if it now it turned out to be a fake out, right? It turned out to be a fake out. So if it's a fake out, we're ready for it. Because if you just take the breakout, then you're faked out. Then you're screwed. But if you wait for a top wick, and then you move stops to break even at the flip, what happens? You could have a fake out, and you'll still be out break even. Because you move stops to break even at the flip, right? So very important lesson there. That's why we prefer to take prefer to take the wicks, right? We prefer to take the wicks. Because not even that, but you would be 18 pips in profit, 17 pips in profit. You could possibly even close full, right, if you want. But the most important thing is that you are going to get out at break even if it now is a fake out. So it's also like a safety net to not get faked out. Yeah, or you could have secured 10 to 18 pips. But that's why we take the wicks, because it's a safety net. It's a safety net. So yeah, very important lesson there, guys. Very important lesson there. All right, I'm gonna just use the restroom real quick, but keep the conversation going in chat. Come on, make friends in chat. New York opening 5 minutes. Yeah, I'll be back in less than 5 minutes. Hola. What's going on here? What's going on here? Hey, you guys talk to each other. Crazy. I usually have to use the bathroom after I drink coffee. Yeah, bro, me too. Coffee is such a double-edged sword, you know? You get energy and everything. You get energy, but then you also have to run to the toilet. So it's a double-edged sword. You kind of have to take it. You kind of have to take. You have a package deal, right? Man, what's your age? I'm 21. 21. 21. 21. 21. What do you guys think of my Starbucks cup? The secret sauce right here. You guys don't know about this. Love from India, brother. Namaste. Namaste, bro. What's 9 plus 10? 21. Close above the yellow line? Yes, sir. What did news turn out like? Do we have news now? What is that? Am I tripping? Oh no, it's okay, never mind. News is in 30 minutes. I thought it was news now. Okay, we closed above the yellow line. Let's see here. We did get a slight top wick. How much was this? It was 2 pips. What does this look like historically? 75. Yeah, my dudes. We unfortunately got a top wick here, and also this is not. You know, to take a trade in this range, guys, you have to remember we have to get the perfect play. Why? Because we have no data at all. We have no idea. Look, if you go back, you have no idea. This is all we have. It's these wicks. So where is the range, right? Where do we want to fill to? Right? Which ranges are we playing? So we have no idea. We have no idea how far we can go, where we would move stops to break even, etc. So that's why we're waiting here for the perfect play. So this had a slight top wick, which means that we're out here, or we're not gonna. The trade is invalidated. So yeah, guys, another portion of waiting. But you guys love. I know you guys love waiting, right? You guys just love staring at the charts without getting anything, right? You guys love waiting. I know you guys love waiting as much as I do. So you're gonna take it's gonna take the trades after news, correct? Yeah, most likely, yes. Why top wick invalidated the trade? Why top wick invalidated trade is because the top wick means invalidates the no top wick play, because the play is that we have no top wick and we expect us to flip and make a top wick, because we know that 90% of candles do have top wicks and bottom wicks, right? So yeah, as soon as we have a small top wick, it invalidates the trade. Now we could still take a small top wick trade if there was enough confluences. So if we had a shit ton of confluences telling us that we're gonna flip, if we had no top wick on the 4 hour, the daily had no top wick, we had a lot of, like the scale was tilted to the bearish side a lot, we could disregard the small top wick and we could take the trade anyways, right? But that's only in that case. But now we do not have enough bullish pressure, would not have enough bullish pressure for us to take this trade, even though it has a small bottom wick, top wick. But if this top wick was this small and we had a ton of bullish sentiment and a ton of bullish confirmations, then we would take the trades anyways, right? So you have to kind of have a feel for it, right? It's not necessarily something I can teach. It's more that you have to have experience about it, right? You consider taking a sell if this 30-minute close below 2072.88. No, because that's the news candle. So no, we have the news candle. So I don't want to trade the news candle. I'll wait for 15 minutes after news until the external forces of news leave the market and we have pure price action, or as pure as price action as we can get, and then I'd start looking for positions. But as long as there are external forces putting pressure on the market and moving the markets, I don't want to take anything. Bro, can you do market trend setup, trend line? No, I don't use trend lines. So yeah, we'll have to wait here, boys. Patience, discipline. This is where your patience and discipline enters the picture, right? We got teased twice, but we don't fall for that. We don't fall for the tricks of the market. We don't fall for JP's tricks. We're stoic. Do you have another entry other than no wick play? Not right now. Not in December. Not during these months, because these months are, you guys know that these months are pretty hard for traders, right? And the market is very weird. The market moves in weird ways, so that's why I only take wick entries during this time of the year, because I have to take my highest probability setup, my highest probability entry. Because I don't want to take a lower probability enter when the market is weird. Because then it's an even, if it's a 90% probability entry during the other months of the year, on December it's probably 85 or 80. So the probabilities goes down on December because the market changes. So that's why during these months I only take the highest probability setups. But yeah, during January and February I might look to add some other entries that I used to do in the past. But honestly, this entry is working so well, and the point of the market is not having as many entries as possible or having as many different strategies as possible. The point is to make money and to make pips and to follow your plan, right? And you do whatever it takes to make that happen. Doesn't matter if you have one entry or two entries, but as narrow and as precise as possible, right? Because usually what people do, the reason people usually get more flexible with their entries and start to come up with other entries to take is because they're not content enough with the amount of plays they get. They're not content with the amount of trades they get. So they get one trade a day, or they get 3 trades a week, and they feel like it's not enough. They want more, right? They want more, and since they want more, they start creating other strategies, other trading plans, other entries, and then they start losing, right? But it all stems from greed. It all stems from greed. That's the root cause of people going out further and starting to create other setups and other strategies when they have one that actually works, right? So don't be fooled, guys. Don't be fooled. Don't think less is more in trading. I promise less is more in trading. I promise you. If there's one advice I could give, universal advice that I want you guys to take, is that in trading, less is more. Less is more. less and narrow is better than wide and more and wide, right? So you want to have less and you want to have narrow. You want to have less and you want to go deep instead of having wide and shallow. That's what trading is all about. That's how you become profitable. Your strategy is built purely on wicks, mostly on wicks, yes. Wicks and closures, and ranges, and a lot of other things. But yeah, most on wicks. Think like a sniper, not a machine gunner. Exactly, right. So you want to go narrow and hard and deep. You don't want to go shallow and wide. Guess it's time for me to enjoy a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Bon appetit, bro. Hope it tastes good. How old are you? I'm 21. That move upward was just a wick for the new 4-hour candle. Yeah. Very true. Very true. You might tap into this resistance here on the 4-hour. You already did, but so yeah, that was probably just a tap into this area of resistance to eventually flip and start heading down again. But yeah, very true. Great spot. I'm 21. I'm from Sweden. Did I say anything crazy? Wait, did I say anything wild? Hey Chad, you're scaring me, I swear to God. What did I say? What did I say? I swear I didn't say anything wild. Oh, you mean narrow and deep. Yo guys, you gotta stop taking everything out of context, okay? Hey, but you take it as you will. I'm not forcing any context on it. You take it as you will. You take it as you will. It works in trade. I'm just saying this. It works in trading and other areas. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. So my strategy does not only work in trading. My strategy works in all aspects of life. Yo Bard, how big is your account? $2.55. Gotta hit the wicks deep. How long have you been doing trading and from where did you learn trading? I've been trading for about 4 years. And I learned from Donvo, Raja Banks, and Uncle Ted. I support that strategy. Thank you, bro. The universal strategy. Damn, we are some people here, man. Steady 280 people. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm 21. 21. How realistic is it for someone that has been trading for 6 months to get to 20k per month? With just trading? Well, I don't know. I don't know. It depends on how much money you start with, and how much you risk, and how much, like, there are so many other factors to take into account. I honestly can't tell you, bro. I have to have more information to figure that out. What BMW model and year? 330i 2019. What is your biggest trading day, bro? My biggest trading day. What was my biggest trading day? I don't know. I have to go check my journal. Probably somewhere, I think after August sometime. Let me see here. What is the best advice for beginners? Start trading with real money and a small amount that you're willing to lose. Start trading with real money, so don't use demo or fake money. Just use your real money, that your hard-earned money, because you need to have the psychology embedded into your trading. You can't trade without the psychology, which is what you do when you trade demo. So trade real money, your hard-earned money. And yeah, that's my advice. And then watch other streamers. So watch live streams. Watch Donvo. Watch Raja Banks. Watch Uncle Ted's webinars. Watch me. Watch these traders and take bits and pieces from the strategies and make your own strategy. And also learn basic market structure. Obviously, learn how candles work, learn trends, etc. Right? Another great advice for beginners is not spamming the chat. Yeah, it depends on, I can't tell you your lot size, bro. It all depends on how much you risk and how big your account is. But I can't tell you your lot size. You have to figure that out yourself, my boy. Yeah, and journal your trades as well, yeah. Journal your trades, back test. But these are like general tips that you get. If you just search for trading tips for beginners, you're gonna get them from everybody. The only thing that I suggest that is kind of out of the ordinary is never trade demo. That's the only thing I'd say. But all these other tips you can get from anywhere. So journal your trades, work on your psychology, etc., right? I use lot size calculator to manage my risk accordingly. Yeah, I did that in the beginning too. But then after a while, you get an intuition of how much lot size you should use based on your trade, right? You can eye it a bit, right? So I know my stop is usually around 30, 40, 20 pips, right? Usually around that area, 30, 40 pips. So I know exactly how much lot I need to use to risk 1 to 5% if I have that pip stop loss, right? And that just comes from using it all over and over and again, and then you get a feel for it. But yeah, so now I just eye it. Honestly, I just know. But yeah, bro, and join QTC also. Also very important. Join QTC and ask your questions in the Discord. Ask your questions in the chat. Yeah. Yeah, I only use demo to get familiar with MetaTrader functions and losses. Yeah, exactly. If you don't know how MetaTrader works, then use demo first, right? You don't want to be with your own money, hard-earned money, and be like, okay, how do I take a buy? How do I set a stop loss, right? So learn how the functions work first, and then you can start funding money. But yeah, that should be obvious. I shouldn't even have to say that. Like if somebody puts money into a MetaTrader account, into a broker, and makes a MetaTrader account, and they don't know how to use MetaTrader, they got more problems than just trading, bro. they got other things to worry about than just trading. Or how do I take partials, which is far from obvious 75? Yeah, some things, some more advanced stuff, you gotta look it up, because I didn't know that like in the beginning I didn't know that either. So I was following some guy, and he was like, alright, I'm gonna close partials here, and I was like, partials? What the fuck is partials? How do I close partials? I had no idea what to do. But yeah, so I just closed full. But yeah. Alright, boys, we have news in 10 minutes here. Pretty rangy here. Hopefully we get some volume soon. But remember, guys, the usual trading times are around 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. That's usually when we get our trades. It's been like that in the past, at least. So when I look at my journal, I see that almost all of my trades, first of all, almost all of my trades are sells. Like 70% or more of my trades are sells. So I don't know why I prefer sells so much. But yeah, 70% of my trades are all sells. And also they're also around 4, always around 4, or not 4, but 10 p.m., 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Which is very weird. But yeah, for some reason my strategy just works better for sells, I guess. Or we get more opportunities for sells. But yeah, maybe I'm just sell bias. Maybe I should do this. Where did I flip the chart? I don't know where I flipped the chart, but maybe I should just flip the chart. How the fuck do I flip the chart? I completely forgot. Ah, okay. Thank you. Is that I or L? Control I. Control 1 maybe? Oh. No, what the fuck did I do now? Oh, I just went. Just flip. Alright, guys. So maybe I should just do this, right? Alt 1? Nah, you guys gotta make me do something weird, I swear to God. I have a 92% success rate on sells and 57 on buys. Yeah, I don't know. For some reason, sells are so much easier. Do a room tour? It's just my old room. At my parents' place. It's nothing crazy. It's a bed. It's my... What the fuck is that in English? The place where I put my clothes. Lamp. Mirror. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. It's my old room. This is where I used to live. Closet. Yeah, it's a closet. Damn, bro. My English. Is English your first language? No. Where the magic happens. Alt I. I swear if something... Ah, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna just do this, guys. Dude. Storage thingy, yeah. It's just a keeping my clothes thingy, you know? That's a trader's room, I swear to God. This is literally where everything started. This is 4 years ago. I sat in this room. I was like, you know what? Let me just try this trading stuff. What even is this? Day 1. Who would have thought I'd be back here? I'm joking. And 4 years later, I'm back at the same place. How old are you? I am 21. Dude, Michael. Is it a good time for me to grab a heavy lunch now, or is it just a light one? I'd say a light one. This is usually when we get a trade. So yeah. Don't be gone for too long. Hearing you answer the same questions has made me gain patience. Yeah, I swear to God. But yeah, guys, you don't really need anything else. I swear, even if I was a billionaire, I'd like have the same thing. I'd have a bed and my setup. Bed and my setup. And then outside I'd have some other things as well. But my room would be literally a bed and a setup. Like it's pure, it would be pure focus. No distractions. No unnecessary lights. No toys. No background stuff. No posters. It'll just be me, my bed and my computer. Literally 100% focused. 100% focused. And an M4 with 1000. But that's not going to be in my room though. No toys, eh? Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, literally, I swear, this it's the only thing you need. You don't need anything else. You don't need all the extra fancy stuff. You need a setup, a bed. You don't even need a girlfriend. No, I'm joking. A girlfriend too, yeah, but she's not allowed to be in the room when I'm trading. Maybe a fancy PC setup. At least a great PC and like maybe like 3 screens. Because right now I have 2. Maybe 3 screens. So you're not delayed. Yeah, and the fastest internet in the world. Like I'm gonna be living on a satellite. Bro, get a better painting. What painting should I have? Hey bro, I'm a beginner and I started watching Dawn and randomly reached your channel. It's easy here and you're a fresh community. Yeah, man. You're welcome. We welcome you with open arms. Welcome to the community. I'm glad you're here. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to meet some great people. We're here, we grow together. That painting is fire. What do you mean? Yeah, exactly, bro. The painting is fine. I don't know what you... A painting of Jesus so he can help you trade. Man, congrats on 1K subs. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. I really do. Let's go, boys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Actually crazy. Yo, Bard, what's usually your day outside of trading? Alright, we might get a breakout here in 2 minutes, boys. But yeah, pretty perfectly. I mean, if you guys watch the streams a lot, you guys know exactly what happened here. You guys know exactly what happened here, right? We came down. Where is liquidity at? Right here, right? Consolidated, did not break the highs. We did not break the highs. Hence, we faked out. Closed below range, but didn't drive because we faked out, and now we're coming back to break the highs and grab liquidity. So you guys that have been in the streams for a while know that this is a textbook scenario. Textbook scenario. This is very important here. Because this will happen again and again and again. So you just have to be ready for it. Unfortunately, we did not get the positions. Reason being, we got a top wick, and that's not the perfect position. And you know, we always wait for the perfect position. Always. We're not flexible with our strategy. We're very rigid. Are you gonna take a sell? If we close below, yes, yes. Now, since we broke the highs, if we now come and close below, back down, yes, I'm gonna take a sell. But even if we close above right here and we get a no top wick here, could look for buys, but I'd prefer sells right now, to be honest. Yeah, we look for A plus setups. Yeah, A plus setups. We don't do nothing else in A plus setups. That's all we do. No B plus, no A minus, only A plus. Painting of setup, please release him from your basement. Never. Put a bear painting because you only sell. Oh yeah, I forgot to answer that. What's your usually day outside of trading? Outside of trading, wake up, go to college, meet with people, have meetings, meet with friends, colleagues, etc. Work on projects, come home, get some quick bite to eat, get my coffee, trade, stream for like 3-4 hours. After I stream, hit the gym, come back, eat, look at the charts, answer questions, answer DMs, Discord messages, everything, edit videos, post my videos on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everything. Then I read something, and then I go to sleep, and then I rinse and repeat. So yeah, that's pretty much my day. And on the weekends, I do back testing and record videos. So yeah. Alright, let's see if we get a bottom wick here, boys. Oh, there's the top wick. We'll have to wait here, boys. We'll have to wait here. We did not get the A plus setup. Did not get the A plus setup. Now if this shoots up, it shoots up. No FOMO. We don't care. Top wick. Why don't I drop out of college? I like college. I enjoy it. I've met some great people. I use it a lot for networking. I met some great-minded people in college. I have some very good friends that I met in college. Yeah, so it's great for networking. I love to hang out in college. It's a great place to be. I just like the college vibe. So yeah, and also it's so easy. It's literally so easy. What do you study? Economics. Bachelor's. But yeah, college is so easy. So it's literally, it's not like I can't trade or anything. It's my side hustle. College is literally my side hustle at this point. Which broker are you on? I'm on the best broker in the world, which is Blueberry Markets. Blueberry Markets is the best broker I've ever used. If you go to the Discord, you will see a referral link under favorite broker in the favorite broker channel. Use that link, create an account, and you'll get $100 free. I drop out knowing it's a waste of money in my country. Yeah, in my country it's free. So in Sweden it's free. So why wouldn't I? Where to buy? We'll have to wait for a perfect setup here. But yeah, not looking for buys anytime soon unless we close above here. So that's the next place I'm looking for buys. Closure above here. Do you have an Excel for your stream track record? No. No. Can I somehow use funded account on Blueberry? No. Funded account only. You need prop firms for that, my boy. Blueberry is a normal broker where you fund your own money. Crazy. In the US, there are colleges that charge $40K a semester. Yeah, stupid. I would never go to college if they charged me that much. Never in my life. There's no way. The only people that college is worth for is if you want to become something specialized. So if you want to become a doctor, then you don't have a choice, right? Or if you want to become an engineer or anything in that manner, you have to go to college because you need that degree to be a certified doctor, a certified engineer, whatever. But otherwise, no. Especially if you want to start a business, bro. Crazy. Is Blueberry just for MT4 MT5? I think it's for both. You'll have to search that up. You went to college? Yes, I am currently in college. I'm using MT5. No wonder Sweden about to legalize cocaine. By the way, Blueberry does not work in the US. Just FYI. So for anybody that lives in the US, Blueberry does not currently work in the US. I think they're gonna try to fix that, but yeah, currently does not work in the US. Yeah, the spreads are really good. Damn, we got 320 people here, boys. 320 people here. Hey, if you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel, like the video, join the community, best community, fastest growing community. Remember, guys, we're gonna be on top of the Forex, food chain. Remember, QTC is gonna be on top, I promise. So, if you're here early for the ride, congratulations. Because this is gonna be a wild ride, boys. It's gonna be a wild ride, and we have so much more to come, bro. So much more to come. But yeah, let's wait here. We'll wait for it to tap 2081 here, because that seems like it's a decision area, right? Seems like that's a slight decision area, which means that once price taps here, it's gonna make a haste decision. So either we completely reverse 50 pips or we drive 50 pips. So yeah, looks like we're about to tap 81.9 here. It's 82, so we'll wait. These news barely had any impact. There was news? Oh yeah, there were news. Dude, I completely forgot. It's so low impact, I didn't even notice. Literally, didn't even notice. Great news. Come on, guys, can we hit 200 likes? I want to see us hit 200 likes. Right now we're at 180. And we have 314 viewers. So if we could hit 200 likes, that would be fantastic. And JP said he would get us a trade if we hit 200 likes. The man. $1K before January started, you remember? Yeah, bro. You were right. You were right. We hit 1K before the new year. This was the 1 hour breakout. Yeah, it was. But we wouldn't have entered because we did not get the perfect play anyways. But yeah, it was the 1 hour breakout. But yeah, guys, don't feel forced to trade like I do. I just trade like this because it works for me, and I have a good win rate with it, and it's my strategy. But don't feel forced to trade with me. If you guys take breakouts, take the breakout. But this is just the way I trade. And if you want to trade the way I trade, you're welcome. I'll teach you. Hey Bard, first time on your channel and I have already subscribed to it. Welcome, bro. Why you only trade gold? Because that's the price action that I have mastered. Or I haven't mastered. It feels weird saying I haven't mastered it, but that's the price action that I know the best, right? So that's the price action that I've studied for almost 4 years. So yeah. So that's why. That's why I want to get really deep into gold. I don't want to, like I said earlier, I want to go narrow and deep. Relax, guys. I want to go narrow and deep when it comes to trading, and that's why I focus on one pair, and I want to learn that pair to a T. I want to be able to read that pair with my eyes closed. I want to know that pair really deep. Yeah, and that's how I get the highest quality trades. So that's why I only trade gold. Hashtag narrow and deep. Yo, you guys are wild, I swear to God. There's too much testosterone in this chat. Most of us are slackers. It seems difficult to press a like button. Yeah. You guys need to train your finger. You guys have weak fingers. You remember at the top level I told you I think the market goes down from here? You probably did. I don't quite remember your exact comment, but you probably did. Breakout aren't working as much as before. Yeah, I know. That's why I don't take breakouts. I've also realized that breakouts don't work the same as they did. Breakouts used to work a lot better when I started out trading, but now I don't know. It just feels like they don't follow. They don't really respect the levels as much as they used to. But this is a strange time then, because we are in no man's land. Exactly, we are in no man's land. We have so little data here, right? And we are price action traders, so we feed off of data. That's what we trade off of, data, right? And we don't have any data, so it's hard for price action traders right now. I agree. So that's why we're extra careful. That's why we wait for the perfect setup. A+, nothing less. Hey, we have 1 like from 200 likes, boys. Come on. Hit that. If one of y'all has the energy to hit the like button, I'd really appreciate that. Less is more narrow and deep. Yo, that's some narrow and deep stuff. It feels manipulated, right? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Bro, update your Instagram bio to 91% win rate. Oh yeah, I haven't even thought of that. I'll do that after the stream. Get rid of GJ too. Yeah. I don't know why I have GJ here. No. What is this? Oh, this is JU. I forgot we completely changed. The market is realizing and all stop losses and break evens are getting hit. Exactly. It's very manipulated right now. Yeah. Oh, it just feels like some weight has. Oh, dude. I feel light. It feels like some weight just gone off my shoulders. Holy shit. Oh, dude, that's like it really weighs on you. The Japanese pairs really weighs on you, bro. Weighs on your mental. Let's check how multicultural the stream is. I'm from Ukraine. What's up, bro? Love to you. Must be the toilet break you had. Most likely. I just emptied everything. When will they publish the course? The course will be published sometimes next year. So maybe maybe February or March, sometime right before summer. So probably February, March, or April. Those 3 months. The course should be published around then. But we'll see. We'll see. How long have you been trading gold as a trader? Around 4 years. Started 4 years, and then the last 2 years I've been doing it seriously, very seriously. Are you secretly from Jersey? What's with the accent, gang? Dude, I have no idea. I don't even know where my accent is from. It's literally just a random ass accent. It's a random ass accent. I have no idea where I got it from. I was just born and I just spoke like this. It's just really weird. I have no affiliation with any American state. Not Texas, not Jersey, not New York, nothing. Bro, I'm still waiting to grab heavy lunch. Hey man, gonna have to wait a little longer. Yeah, we have a lot of diversity here. 81.9 seems to be a decisive level. Yeah, exactly. That's what I said. It seems to be a decision level. Because when price taps here, either we reject heavily, 50 pips, or we move heavily, right? So yeah, seems like a very good area here. Let's see if we get it. We lost some volume here, which is annoying. Which is really annoying. You sound like mini XQC. Yeah, I get that a lot. Because I talk very fast sometimes. So I get the XQC comparison a lot. But at least you guys can hear what I say. Because XQC, Doom, you can't hear anything that guy says. Guys on crack. Steve Topwick, we're about to hit sells. We'll see here. Looks like liquidity grab, then about to drop hard. Now let's go. Yeah, exactly. So we did not break liquidity. Hence we came down and faked out. That's why we didn't take the sells here. Now we have come up and broken the highs. Grab liquidity. Exactly the same area which we anticipated, right? We anticipated this area since the beginning of the stream. Since the beginning of the stream we told you guys. This is the area of liquidity grab. We want to see us break the highs and then close below to take a sell. But we did not do that and we closed below without breaking the highs. Hence we got a fake out. And now we'll see if we can break below. But if this drives, don't be surprised. But yeah, it's pretty damn good here. XQC yap too much, bro. Yeah, I swear to God. Is trading your only income? Yes. Trading is my only income right now. Because I trade and I go to college, so I don't have time for anything else. But yeah, trading is my only income right now. Let's see here if we're gonna get an A+ setup. Possibly even the break back into range. Possibly if we can break below here, 2076.632, we could possibly look for a sell to fill the range down, and then move stops to break even, and then we could look for us to go down even further. We'll have to wait here. No trades yet, bro. We're waiting for the perfect setup here. A lot of waiting. It's a waiting game, boys. A lot of waiting. Gotta be prepared. Hey, anybody that's new here, hit the damn subscribe button. Join the family. Come on. If you love trading, if you love catching pips, that is exactly what we do here. So hit the subscribe button and join the QTC family. What up, boys? Anybody left? Had to take a quick call. Sorry. Alright. Looks like we're coming down here. Pretty good. Can we get a break back into range? Wouldn't be too bad. Wouldn't be too bad at all. Are you gonna stream next year? Yes. Did I call Jerome? Remember, guys. Remember one thing. This is why we don't take straight breakouts, right? They're just faking everybody out. Everybody's getting faked out here. I've been a part of this too many times, bro. I've been through this too much to get faked out again. So, yeah, just remember that. $300 viewers is crazy, yeah. Just a curiosity, Uncle Ted, Raja mentors have any YouTube course? I think Raja has a course. I've never taken their course. I've just watched their YouTube webinars. So search up Raja Banks webinars, Uncle Ted webinars, and just watch those. There's a bunch of free webinars on YouTube. That's all I did. I just watched those for free. Didn't pay for any course, nothing. So yeah, just watch those. Ted has some long 9-hour webinar. Yeah, Ted has a lot of webinars. Subs are moving, boys. We got 100 subs just today. We're moving. It's fucking great. Damn, bro. I'm so blessed. I swear to God. Crazy. Do you know Mamba FX like the single scammer? Yeah, I know what that is. When you started streaming? I started streaming like 1 month ago. Yo, is that Michael's brother? Kevin, are you Michael's brother? All right. Oh, okay. I was just thinking, because y'all have the same, y'all have the same surname. So I was like, damn, he got the whole family here. Trying to comment Viet last name, no cap. Ah, okay. So you guys are Vietnamese. Okay, I get it. We'll see if he trolls too. Yo, Morpheus, relax, bro. Hey, I'm glad to have you here, bro. What platform do I use? FDMO. With the Tran clan. Dude, the Tran clan does not sound good. Y'all should change the name, I swear to God. Do you trade prop firms? Yes, sir. Watch me get a Kevin. How do you say that last name, by the way? Nguyen. You said Nguyen? Nguyen. This is the best channel I've been a part of. All of you guys are great. Yeah, bro, we really have a great community. I swear to God, we have a great community. Everybody here gets the jokes. Everybody is chill, understands trading. No negativity. Yeah, we really got a great community to be a part of, and people are realizing that. Like everybody that's new, people are realizing that we have such a great community. They come here and they always stay. Most of them always stay because they realize that we have such a great thing going on. God is watching, don't say it. You got the C word? I don't know. I got something. I got something in my throat. Pause. Pause. Oh my God, pause. I don't know why I'm coughing. I have something. I have some sort of flu or cold. Dude, I keep saying some weird shit today, bro. Of course. I can't get away with anything. Hey, cut me some slack here, guys. It was an accident. I didn't mean it like that. You guys know. You've been coughing for a minute. Yeah. I have some sort of flu. It's that time in Sweden. It's that time in Sweden. Everybody is sick. Yo, chat is on demon time today. Chat is on demon time. Nah, I really... When we better hop on a trade. We'll see if we get a closure back into range here very soon. But I really don't believe it's just because we're on a winning streak that we're getting so many people staying. I honestly think we have a great community. I honestly think once people come in here and they don't just look for a trade, they come in and they see what we got going on, and I really believe that they enjoy the people here and the vibe. Hey, Bard, what other broker do you recommend that works in the US? I don't have any recommendations, bro. I've only used 2 brokers, and Blueberry is my latest the latest broker that I used, and I think I'm gonna stick with it. I haven't really used anything else, but yeah, Blueberry is the best by far that I've used. So I don't want to give you any recommendations in case something bad happens, right? But I say do your research and stuff. Yeah, we got some comedians for sure. For sure, we got some comedians for sure. Yeah, okay, guys, relax. I swear we're getting out of pocket. I swear we're getting out of pocket. Y'all reading some. Relax. 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 You're scaring away the new people. Yeah, this price action sucks. Yeah, this price action is really a bummer. Hey, at least we're here for the good vibes, though. But this price action really sucks. Yo, I saw literally everybody was trying to up one another. So somebody went out of pocket, then somebody else went more out of pocket, and dude, the chat just became a COD lobby. I swear to God. Yeah, you guys need to chill, bro. I swear, you guys need to chill. No buys, guys. No buys. We have a small top wick here. No buys. I'm waiting. I am waiting here. What is the DXY doing here? You guys are fucking wild, bro. You guys are fucking wild, bro. DXY is going to hell. Yeah, that's why dude, I'm looking for buys on sells. Honestly, dude. My bias is it's very bearish for some reason. I don't even know. Like I could tell you what it is on the higher time frames. It's the no bottom wicks. It's the tapping the highs. It's imbalances made on our way up. But I also have some weird intuition. I don't know why. But yeah, if this had no top wick, we'd be in here, of course. If this had no top wick, we'd be in, because that's the perfect play, right? That's a no top wick play. So if this had no top wick, of course we'd be in here. But yeah, we're waiting for the perfect position, because we're in such a weird range and it's such a weird time of the year that we need to have that perfect 90% position to actually take a trade, right? I don't wanna be flexible and try to take a trade just because I'm greedy, right? And then because then we're taking the trades for the wrong reasons. It's like the old saying goes, trading is 90% patience. Exactly. Dude. Hey guys, anybody that's new, join up the community in Discord, bro. Join the community in Discord. Bro and sister. Bro and sis. We don't discriminate here. Everybody's welcome to the Discord. We have a great community. This is just the beginning. We take trades. Hey, for anybody that's new here, I promise we take trades. We're not just a comedy club. I swear to God, we take trades as well. We just wait for the perfect position, but we do take trades. Or are we? Hey, maybe we're both. Maybe we're both. Yo. Why do we have me in 40 years in chat? What the fuck is this? I think we look alike. Nah, bro, I don't know. I don't know who you is. Hi, me from the future. How did it go? What happened? Nah, but you know why that's not me in the future? Because if that was me in the future, I'd have a QTC logo tatted on my forehead. So that can't be me in the future. Hey, we've got a lot of new people here. Welcome everybody. Welcome to the QTC Trading Comedy Club. We trade, we make jokes, we win, we make pips, we do everything over here. So join the community, join the Discord. I call out all my trades on Discord as well. We have a free signals group. But yeah. I hate to tell you, but today is an L. Okay. We'll see here. One question, why are you guys trading? Be honest. Okay. Why are we what is the fundamental reason for trading? First, freedom. Freedom. You can work from wherever you are, whenever you are. Freedom. Second of all, there's no ceiling. You don't have a set salary. Your salary is not based on how many hours you work. Your salary is based off of how good of a job you do. Second reason. Third reason, of course, it's all rooted in trying to make a good income. But we don't focus on the income, because if you focus on the income, you chase the income will not come to you. But if you focus on the skill and you focus on actually trying to learn the markets, then the income will follow after that. But those are the 3 fundamental things, right? And I always wanted to work with something where I get paid for my effort and not my time. And that's what trading is, right? Right, so the more time you spend now, the less you have to spend in the future. That's what trading is in a nutshell. So now you have to spend a lot of time in the markets. But you do that so when you're older, when you have gotten the skill needed, necessary, you have to spend just a little bit of time in the future. That's what we trade. It's freedom. And it's investing in your future. But yeah, that's what I trade at least. But yeah. And also trading teaches you a lot of life skills. It teaches you patience, discipline. Teaches you not to be greedy. Trading has a lot of real life applications as well. It's not just making money. I promise. It's much more than that. Yeah, I think we hit an all-time high, bro. All-time high on viewership. 364 people in here. Crazy, boys. Crazy. How old are you? I am 21. 21. The stress is also there, though. Yeah, of course. But that's a part of the game, right? That's a part of life, true. That's a part of life as well. It's having that stress. So, yeah. But yeah. It's all about freedom, baby. I saw potential A plus on a smaller time frame. Minute 5. Price retested the zone 3 times on the minute 5 while the minute 15 didn't have a top wick yet. We could move to the break even after we created a top wick. Yeah, but I usually don't go off the 5, bro. I would be hesitant on going on the 5 because the 5 is a low confirmation. What broker do you use? I use Blueberry Markets, the best broker in the world. It's a broker and my therapist. They contact you every day and ask how you feel, how you are. But yeah, if you want to use Blueberry Markets, which is the broker I use, go to my Discord and I have a link for Blueberry Markets and you'll get $100 once you sign up and fund your account. So yeah, if anybody wants to use Blueberry Markets, there's a link in my Discord. So yeah. Are you looking for entry? Yeah, like Kayhan said, we're waiting for a... We're looking at what market can provide. Hey, we got a lot of viewers here, boys. I'm glad to see that. Should analyze the viewer curve. I swear to God. Hey, is the stream lagging, guys? Is the stream lagging? Are we good now? Are we back? Are we back? Alright, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Yeah. Dude, y'all scared me. No, I think it was my Wi-Fi, bro. I think it was my Wi-Fi. Alright, we back, baby. Matrix attack. Yeah, bro, it's the market movers. They're like, why aren't they biting our fake outs? Why are they waiting so much? What's up with these guys' patience? Enter a trade, damn it, so we can fake you out. We can't grab these people's stop losses. Damn. Oh, the delay. Oh, dude. Is there a big delay now? $30-second delay? Fuck. Damn it, I think I have to restart the stream. Alright guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna restart the stream. Hey, can you guys try to refresh and see if the delay is better? If not, then I'll restart the stream. So when we lose trade, who benefits? No one, bro. The guy that took our stop loss. The guy that bought or sold our stop loss. Yeah, guys, there's no delay on signals, so dude, I have no idea. People are saying it's fixed, people are saying it's not fixed. Let me check myself. Alright guys, I'm gonna restart the stream. Okay, we're good. Alright, because some people are saying there's delay, so I'm gonna restart the stream. So yeah, I'm gonna restart the stream, boys. So just join up. Great idea. Count to 5 on your hand and watch yourself. Great idea. Alright, so let's do this.